Hello, good morning everybody. Today I like to discuss about a very important topic under physics. Students who are learning physics, you know that linear motion is a very important section. Here we can think about these relations. S equals ut, S equals ut plus half at squared, S equals u plus v by 2 times t, v squared equals u squared plus 2as, and v equals u plus at. Since you are learning physics, you should know these relations. Yeah, basically when you talk about this symbol, or we can say S, it says about displacement, or rather linear displacement, and u, initial velocity, and you know this time t, and here simple a, normally it represents acceleration, but sometimes you are talking about deceleration or retardation, but we do not use a different relation for that. We are using the same equation, but when it is deceleration or retardation, if someone says deceleration is 5 meters per square second, then here we have to substitute minus 5. That's the difference. Basically when you talk about time, there is no idea for minus time here. Therefore always we use only positive value for t. V squared, when we talk about v, basically we say that the object, it can change its velocity from u to v in time t. Therefore we say basically v is final velocity, like that. And these equations, they are very famous in physics. By using these equations, you can work out question. An object starting from rest moves with constant acceleration of 4 meters per square second in 15 seconds. Find the final velocity and displacement during the time. Basically when we read a question, especially at the exam, then we should be very careful, because when you read it, you can highlight those important points in the question. Here, object starting from rest, you know, u equals 0, moves with constant acceleration, you know this acceleration, and simply in 15 seconds, in 15 seconds, you know the time. After that, find the final velocity, you know, it is very famous idea, v, and displacement, it should be s. It is very important. Then Now you can consider the idea they asked. V final velocity. V, this value, U initial velocity, acceleration, time. V U A T. V U A T. Final velocity. V equals initial velocity 0, acceleration 4 into time 15. It's clear? 60 meters per second. You can work out like that. Not only that, they ask about displacement here. Yeah, simple. When you consider displacement, S, U, V, and time. S, U, V, time. S equals U plus V by 2 times T, then displacement U 0, V is, it should be 60, what we have calculated, divided by 2 into 15 seconds. Then it should be, basically you can divide by 230, then 450 meters. Simply you can calculate the answer, 450 meters. Yeah. You should be very careful when you especially read a question. Then even at the exam, you can highlight these points. Initial velocity simply 0. The time, A, acceleration, displacement, and B. If you have done your homework well, then automatically this relation comes to your mind. It is very easy. Easy physics. Remember, physics is very easy subject.